Alright, hey guys. So a part of the channel, since I'm learning how to cook, requires me to write down things that I learned along the way, and I've got a couple here. So first off, flour is essentially the baking world's glitter, and you can fight me on that one. The reason why I say that is sugar, salt, they'll if you spill it, they roll, right? Flour just kind of poofs, and if you squish that bag it comes in, right, you just get right in the face. That's not fun, especially with all this beard here. But the fun part I did have is the fact that once my hands got floury, I was chasing Laura around. She did not like that. Don't do that. Significant others don't like that. Banana chips. So this has nothing actually to do with banana chips. This has actually everything to do with chips, garlic, dried garlic that looked like banana chips. Mom and Dad, we were at my parents' house a while ago, and they had some sitting in a container, and I thought they were banana chips, but no, they were not, and it was very strong, and my eyes watered, and everyone made fun of me. So that was a stellar move on my part. The next one says coat balls, and that's not supposed to be dirty, but apparently when I was making the Oreo balls a couple of videos back, you're supposed to actually, with the chocolate ganache, cover the whole ball in chocolate. Now I got lazy, or I should say I got impatient, and I just, as you saw in the video, just poured it on with a spoon. And the issue with that is they didn't set well, so I took them out of the garage or in the freezer, because it's Wisconsin here, it's less than 30 degrees outside. Thinking like, oh sweet, I did something cool. Nah, they just started to melt, so they're still in the garage. I have to eat them. Moving on to the no patience parts. I really have no patience, so that goes into the whole ball thing, also with the flour thing as well. And then finally, this comes from just being the camera person, is don't be careful where you put your camera when you're next to the stove, especially when you're cooking with oil and butter. Things splatter. Yeah. Also wear a shirt, but that's here nor there. So that's the first couple things I've learned from doing the video so far. I'll have some more as I go through the process of this, and I'm sure Laura's just going to make fun of me for the rest of my life for some of these. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. I'm working on the Reese's video right now, so that should be up in a bit. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever. We'll see you around. Bye.